Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to cover pivot point indicators and highs and lows indicators. Okay. So from our indicator package, what are the pivot point indicator and highs and lows and what is their importance? First of all, I would like to explain the definition of pivot point. Pivot point is a point where market will change direction. For example, it is a point where we would turn bullish from bearish, okay, and bearish from bullish. After reaching this point, market will change its direction, okay. The point where we would turn bullish from bearish and bearish from bullish. Now we will see it on our MT4, okay. Okay, alright. So now to get pivot point indicator, first of all we need to click here on navigator, okay, and then we will go to here in this pivot point indicator. Just double click on that and then we will get this indicator, okay. Press okay. So here we got pivot point indicator. It is giving us daily pivot point, okay, with three resistance level or one or two or three, with three support level also. Here you can see this line is today pivot point. So now what is the meaning of that? If market crosses above this line, so it will remain bullish. If it is below this point, this market will be bearish. And here we have our targets also: resistance 1, resistance 2, support 1 and support 2 also, okay. Now we will take a look at the highs and lows, okay. For that, just click here and then click on the highs and lows, okay. Just press ok. So here we got 2 points. So it is giving us today high and low, okay. Actually this is H1 chart, but it will give us daily low value and high value also. Our high point today is 1.4935 and our low is 148.952. This is very important for the pro traders, okay. So in this way, pivot point indicator and high and low indicator can help us even in our better trading, okay. Thank you.